So today I'm going to show you guys how to change your wallpaper to the brand new dynamic wallpapers found in macOS Mojave, coming up right now. So first things first guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit the notification bell right next to it to be alerted for future videos just like these. So the first thing that we want to do is, of course, open up the system preferences where you will find the button that says desktop and screensaver. Click on that and then you're greeted with your current wallpaper, and below is the new dynamic desktop wallpapers. So as you can see, now it has changed, but they also have new wallpapers that are just stills. Now the cool thing about the dynamic desktop wallpapers is that it actually changes based off the time. So right now it's actually 6 o'clock my time. So as you can see, the sun has started to set. Now here are some of the other still wallpapers. There's Desert 1, Desert 2, Desert 3, Desert 4, Desert 5, Desert 6, and finally Desert 7. You can see this year Apple went with a desert theme. I'm going to stick with the new Mojave dynamic wallpaper. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button for future videos just like these. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.